Did you know that if you invested just $200 a month, starting in your 20s, you could retire with over $500,000? Most people think investing is only for the rich or financial experts. But the truth is, anyone in America can start building wealth with just a small amount of money. Let me show you how. Welcome back to the channel, where we make money simple. Today, I'm breaking down the basics of investing in the US, no Wall Street jargon, no boring textbooks, just the stuff you actually need to know to get started. First things first, why invest at all? The average savings account in the US pays less than 1% interest. While inflation eats away at your money every year, investing is the only proven way to grow your wealth faster than inflation. Think of your money as an employee. If you invest it, it works for you 24/7. So where do beginners start? The easiest entry point is the stock market through index funds, or ETF. These are basically baskets of the top companies in America, like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, all in one package. Instead of trying to pick one winning stock, you're spreading your risk across hundreds of companies. Historically, the US stock market has averaged about 7 to 10% growth per year after inflation, way more than a savings account will ever give you. If your job offers a 401k, that's the best place to start. Many employers even match your contributions, and that's literally free money. If you don't have access to one, opening a Roth IRA is another smart move. You invest with money you've already paid taxes on, and your gains grow tax-free for life. That's one of the biggest wealth-building hacks available to Americans. So here's the takeaway. Don't wait until you make six figures to start investing, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month. The key is consistency and time. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd invest in today?